Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to set up PagePilot on Shopify. All right, let's begin. First, open the Apps section on the left panel of your Shopify dashboard. This is where you can access tools to enhance your online store. In the search bar, type PagePilot. This app uses AI to help you build and customize pages easily. Once it appears, click on it to open the app page and review its features. Next, click Install and confirm the installation. Make sure to review any permissions requested to ensure smooth integration with your store. After installation, PagePilot will automatically open on your Shopify dashboard. Follow the on-screen steps provided by the app to complete the setup. These instructions guide you through setting preferences and connecting features to match your store's branding. Once the setup is complete, you can start building pages. Use the AI tools to design layouts, modify text, and add images through an intuitive interface. PagePilot makes it easy to create visually appealing and effective pages. So that's basically how you can set up PagePilot on Shopify. That's it for this video. Thanks.